Hey, once again, here at MGMClassicCars.com in Addison, Illinois. First and foremost, I would like to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. With over 60,000 subscribers, I greatly do appreciate each and every one of you. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button for our new arrivals. Also, this is a 1972 Plymouth Barracuda in very good condition, guys and gals. This was a factory 318 car, but now has a 360 cubic inch motor, so it's not original to the vehicle, but it's an improvement to the vehicle. It has an automatic transmission. This is a factory FE5 code red car, guys. Does have power steering, 16-inch mags, as you can see, the American Racing. 8 3/4 rear end with a 355 Posi unit, guys. This car does have factory air conditioning. We do have the window sticker. The AAR Spoilers have been added. This is a solid Mopar, guys, from New Mexico. It's been there since 2008. Original metal on the car, guys, and this one does drive out very good, and we will be going for a test drive today. This is the 360 that's been replaced. Very clean engine compartment. Fender Tag still in place, and I did take a picture of it. If you guys want to break it down, it's not a problem. Nice paint throughout, guys. Inner outer door jambs are great. Interior's in nice condition. Automatic, as you can see. Everything looks really good. And we are almost getting ready here, guys, for a test drive. Original chrome bumpers, so they are pitted a little bit. If you want these changed out, we can. They're about $150 front and back on eBay. Trunk is in great condition with the jacked air, spare tire. Everything looks good. Let's fire this baby up. Original pinch welds on the door. Nice original interior, guys, as well. All right. Give it a... The RPM tech did work earlier. I'll make sure that functions. And we'll talk about everything else. Manual brakes, but it does stop well. Sounds good too. All right. One of my favorite parts and times of the day, the test drive. You guys ready? Let's do this. Blows cold. All right. As you've seen there, well, it works. Very nice. All right, so we're going to go for a little test drive here, guys. MGM Classic Cars has been around here now. Let's see, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to concentrate here, getting out. I don't hit anything. Sorry about that. MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street here in Addison, Illinois, guys. And we are going on this beautiful day on this beautiful test drive. We have over 200 cars in stock. We do own them. We try not to consign, guys, so we can keep our prices very good. All right, so I don't see any cops around here. See how the brakes feel. think that these are disc brakes because they do work very well. I drive a lot of these cars, and I'll tell you, it does stop well. Even the fasten seatbelt light works here. Pretty cool. Very smooth down the road. Transmission feels good. Power steering feels great. Hugs the road very well. The center console thing is not... Oh, there we go. Now it locked. Guess you got to give it a little more than usual push. So currently, right now, the speedo is not working. So I will definitely... I just noticed that, and I'll definitely fix that. And we'll get that throttle speedo cable replaced. Nice Pioneer radio. All right. But no, trans feels great. It's smooth down the road, guys. Acceleration is nice. I just did a rolling throttle. I didn't slam it. So we're looking all good here, guys. If you need financing, if your credit score is like a 630 to a 770, rates start at about 8%. You will need about $5,000 down. We can roll in your sales tax, we can roll in your delivery fee if you need it, but all you would need right now would be about $5,000 down, and you can get that credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. If you're over a 775 credit score, text me, call me. I'll get you directly in touch with my lender, and they have a no money down option with scores over 775. Obviously, all approvals are based off your credit profile. And if you need delivery, call or text me. This thing puts you right back in the seat. This thing moves out. Look at that. Brakes feel great too. If you need delivery, call or text me with your zip code. Let's see how this handles. I love that turn. Again, if you need delivery, call or text me. My number is 847-848-1850. My name's Thomas. It was fun spending 8 to 9 to 10 minutes with you guys. I appreciate you spending your time with me. And we'll talk soon. Here to the right is where I keep all my cars. We own them all. There's over 200 of them. You can check them out at mgmclassiccars.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.